In this guide, I'm going to show you 2 easy ways that you can delete apps from your iPhone, no matter which model or iOS version you're using. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But the first one is probably the easiest method, and you can actually remove it from your home screen. This is the most common method, but essentially find whatever app you would like to delete, for example, Snapchat, and you just want to long press on that app just like so, and it's going to pop up with a pop-up that looks something like this. Simply go ahead and tap on remove app, and then you're going to want to select delete app and then delete, and just like so, that app is going to be removed from your iPhone. And just remember, you can always reinstall this anytime from the App Store. Now, if you can't find that app on your home screen, what you're going to want to go ahead and do, and this is method 2, is open up those settings and then scroll down and select general just like so. From here, go ahead and tap on iPhone storage and just scroll down on this section until you find that app. Like once again, we could use Snapchat as an example. Select that and then just hit delete app. This is going to completely remove that app and it's going to free up space. And to reinstall, just go into that app store, search for that app and just download it again. But that really is it. That's how you can delete apps from any iPhone. If this guide did help you out, do me a favor and like this video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help with the channel, lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, remember that you can ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.